students, today we are going to topic about you is the answer. Okay, every day we can do it your home, home inside and home outside. So that is inside open the door and outside close the door. uh, the two ways of the work. Inside open the door, that is push. Second one, outside close the door, that is our pull. So two examples of the push or pull, the reaction of the very good force and motion. The everyday we get the force. First one of all force, one object force, and then move away the motion. So two real life work it, that motion and force so importance in our life. Then only just introduction. As shown in the above picture, Kavita can reach her school in two ways. Okay, can you tell? By choosing which path she would reach the school early, road A and road B. So two ways move that school. Look at the nearby picture. So both of the leaf when there is no wind, both of the leaf when there is wind. So some trees leaf வந்து காற்று அடிக்காமலே கீழே விழும், some leaf காற்று அடிக்கிறதுனால கீழே விழும். So that is reaction, it is was force and motion. Some examples of force and motion. Then only distance and displacement. What is examples of distance? Your house and near the school. Okay, so house and near the schools, walk the way for that distance 10 kilometer and 6 kilometers, 3 kilometers, that is distance. This is called as distance, one place to other place. So comparison of center point of view, that is distance. Okay students, the total length of the path taken by an object to reach one place from the other is called distance. What is displacement? The shortest distance from the initial to the final position of an object. Both the distance and displacement possess the same unit. So SI unit meter, displacement SI unit meter. That is two ways of the distance and displacement. Displacement, the distance between A and displacement between the B. So both A and B, the distance that is called as difference. Okay students, then only distance and displacement. It is the length of the actual path covered by an object in respective of it is direction of motion. What is displacement? Displacement is the shortest distance between the initial and final position of an object in a given direction. Distance is a scalar quantity. Displacement is the vector quantities. Distance scalar quantities and displacement vector quantities. Distance covered can never be negative. It is always positive or zero. Displacement may be positive, negative or zero. Distance between two given points may be same of different for different both chosen. Displacement between two given points is always the same. Then next picture, that is called as velocity. So speed and velocity. So speed and velocity. What is speed? What is velocity? Speed is simply how fast you are traveling. Simply fast you are traveling. This car is traveling at a speed. So low speed and high speed, that is called as speed. Then only velocity. velocity speed in a given direction. This car is traveling at a velocity of 20 meters second east. So the everyday direction, the move it the car way both the way, then only turning point. So shutdown direction, that is direction, it is called as velocity. So speed 20 kilometers and 40 kilometers high speed and low speed, this is called as speed. And direction position of the velocity, understand the student? Then only uniform speed. Uniform speed, it is particles covered equal distance in equal interval of time, then particles should be moving with uniform speed. So equal distance, equal time, so that is called as uniform speed. So non-uniform speed, equal distance, uniform speed. So not equal distance and not equal interval time, so no interval time, no equal distance, so every day, that is non-uniform speed. Okay, can you understand? Distance, time, uniform speed changes, completely changes. Any times distance low and time is increases value, so that is called as uniform and non-uniform speed. Velocity, velocity is speed is given direction on the speed or something in given direction. Velocity, speed in a given direction, speed in a given direction, that is called as time period, constant velocity, displacement, this is called as velocity. So velocity, the average velocity v1 plus v2 by 2, that is average velocity. Velocity formula v, so distance formula d, so time formula t. So velocity, distance and times speed average, it is called as velocity. That is I am then only acceleration. Acceleration, what is acceleration? Accelerating because I am speeding up, so slowing down, so changing direction, though that is those activities called as acceleration. Some people speeding run up and speeding slow run up. So some people shutdowning down, so some people changing direction in the movement of the play. So every day's acceleration movement of particulars changing various play, okay, various activity, that is called as acceleration. Then only the acceleration, uniform acceleration and positive acceleration, that is called as uniform acceleration and non-uniform acceleration. Uniform acceleration, an object undergoes uniform acceleration when the change, so increase or decrease in this velocity, increase and decrease of the velocity for every unit of time is the same. So velocity, management of the mass by second, that is called as velocity. So uniform acceleration. So positive acceleration, if you velocity of an object increases with respect of time, then the object is said to be in passive acceleration or just acceleration. Example of cheetah run is get great speed, yes or no? Yes, great speed. Do you know what my speed is? What your speed? Okay, I am what my speed 25 meters second. So your use speed, so highly movement of speed, okay, 30 meter second, 30 meter by second. So my changes from 0 to 20 meter second, see good acceleration, 0 to 20 meters by second in 2 seconds. See go good acceleration, okay. Then only negative acceleration, object decrease with respect of time, object decrease respect of time. Positive acceleration, velocity object increases respect of time. Okay, can you understand more? Positive and negative acceleration increases and decreases object, that is called as positive and negative acceleration. Okay, then only non-uniform acceleration. Non-uniform acceleration, we can define non-uniform acceleration as the acceleration in which the velocity of a body does not change at a constant rate in a given interval of time. That is called as non-uniform of direction acceleration, that is called as acceleration of motion. Condition for stabilities. To make a body more stable, lower it is the center of gravity, increases the area of its space. So, condition for stability is various. So, particular point. Think box. This box is at the point of typing over. So, this is one the typing box, not type over. This is difficult to type of over. So, a variation condition for that stability. So, examples of any graphical pictures of speed and distance. So, high level speed and low level speed distance, that is called that is in your books include. You can watch that book anytime. Refer to. Okay. Unstable equilibrium. The frustum will topple with the slightest tightening. Its center of gravity is lowered when it is displaced. So, natural equilibrium and condition for stabilities. So, any way of that equilibrium. The examples of Tanjavur doll. It is the type of traditional Indian toy made up of terracotta material. The center of gravity and the total weight of the doll is concentrated at its bottommost point, generating a distance-like continuously movement with slow acceleration. So, real life application of the center of the gravity. Real life application of the center of the gravity. So, everyday science today, typically speed, it is typically speed. Every animals or birds and mounts. So, movement of speed time, speed concentration, it is a importance. So, Tata is some animals and some things object using that speed revolution on include in the include on your book. Okay, data is 0.1 meters by second per person walking, 1.4 by meter second, falling raindrops 9 to 10 meter by second, cat running 14 meter by second, cycling 20 to 25 kilometer by hour, cheetah running 31 meter by second. Okay, so every time movement of speed and it is a importance in your daily life and today life. Okay, thank you students, thank you, watch that video. And then after second lessons we have to refer to that lessons. Okay, I am today afternoon online classes, so I some of questions ask students, you can get the answer. Okay, so ready prepared to learn. Okay, thank you students, thank you.